Beyond this, I also teach a course called Piano and Voice.
Edrin Wanyama waspesa na shoboro kumshomogu babasize kubangura abanyamakuru ho mukwerindo mirimo yabo oteirehona nebya Kanyabwengye Ahakukozesa oteirehona no kuratira ebyamateka omurimo gwabo.
All be aware we are headed towards the general elections which are due early next year. As part of our work, we have prepared these journalists to guard against major risks and threats while in the course of their work, while covering assemblies and while doing their work that they're supposed to do to ensure that information reaches the general public. Secondly, we have prepared them to guard their gadgets.
Ombwiro burkwirira hihi nakaruru Edrin Wanyama ahigira abanyamakuru okwereza amakuru gamazima kandi agashyire hamwe na no kutajanjaza amakuru agarukuretaho obwangane.
They act in compliance with the laws, otherwise they face the dire consequences that come with violation of the laws. Finally, we've taken them through guarding against misinformation, disinformation and hate speech. It is something we really celebrating and jubilate that we prepared these journalists to go back and cover stories objectively and truthfully.
Abanyamakuru ntibashobora ngo mushomogu ngo bigwira misho
bacomese habintu nka hate speech ngashi obutajanjaza njirimbo mbantu abo kwatwajanjaza njirimbo nkito abanyamakuru cyantu mayisa ngo abantu baza kwanganira rusha kandi akarunka kwanyenche kare amagara ngagunza msonywe eji training yanyeza ngo kunakubasa kwerinda ngo munyamakuru okurinda ebindu kutekayo ebindu kugambayo okubicencura kugira ngo nanakireba TikTok ningasha Facebook ndumize munchi cencure manyenti agarugo mazima ningebi nebisho
okwija kutubangura omukire nkaka abaspesa kwija kutubangura omukire nkaka nakamanyisoka hango ahakwongera ahakumanya kwitu na no kwongera okumanya ebyo ebitwakubasa kukozesa kugira ngo twerinde kandi tumanyise n'abantu bingi twino kumanya kwingi.
Ondijo munyamakuru Michael tumwakire nahiga abanyamakuru okuguma kumanya ebyo kwerinda byabo kandi na no kurinda amagara gabo obutosha.
Nyeweka yaba ryo mushomogu nibyinje binayiga kandi nibyinji ebyawe binabasa kwizuka kumanya ngo obwiro bwo butuyontuza mu bakaruru hariho story eri kukira amagara gawe banyangu orije otakagire mu kavuyo ninga batakafutira mu kavuyo kandi ekindi ba politicians abinji almost baba tarubona batukundo mwiro w'akaruru akuba namanyangu kine cyo kuza kumubitira.
Umushomogu nugwijaho omukwezi ko kucumitereza ahabyo kwerinda bya Kanyabwengye agagasha Olivia Kamsima wa Tayar West.
Communication always is getting that word in that action that you're going to take and then stay.